Hi, I'm Seamus Hibe, and welcome back to the Adventure Vlogs. Oh yeah! I straight up find I went off the trail a little, just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit. I don't recommend it. I don't recommend just going off the track without like thinking about it. But like I found like a part of the river. I found a part of it, and it's so cool. Hold on, I think you know what? Howdy, howdy, howdy! I saw this shell when I was crossing. See if I can pick it up. I didn't know you could find like shells in like fresh water. Didn't know that at all. Look at that. It's like a bit of a delta right here, I think. It also careens down this way. So there's two options. I can go back on, I have a couple options, more than just two. So I have several options. I can continue following the river down this way. I can follow it down that way, or I can go back on the trail. It is so peaceful out. Oh, there's water skimmers! Hello! Hello, friends! Hey, what's this rock? Definitely not skippable, but definitely collectible. Shit! Let me go wash it off again. On some of my adventures, I like to find a rock, just a single rock, and then I write the day I found it and where I found it. So, this is coming home with me. You're coming home with me. There's like birds above me, but I can't see them. Oh, there's one! Hi! I think it's a gray catbird, but I can only see the bottom of it. I usually can tell from like the top, I guess, of it. Alright, I think I made up my mind. I'm gonna go down this way a little bit, and I'm gonna see what I can find. Shoes are full of water. Oh shit. It's a little... So there's not much for me to walk. So that was all for nothing. Got it. Awesome. Back on the trail proper now. Oh. There's another little divergence here. Where does this lead to? Oh! Oh goodness! Guys! Hold on, I'm gonna try and get down. This is a really good place to stop and write some poetry, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, what's on me? Hi, bug. Bye, bug. Alright. I don't know if y'all can see it. Hold on. But look at that. There's so many of them. It's so pretty out. So, sat on this, scooted, and then put my feet down on the roots. And I think that's the same way I'm gonna get back up. Alright. I'm not gonna go in this water because I don't want to disturb the fish, my ass. My God, is it pretty? Am I even supposed to be here? I don't know. Oh well. It is so pretty. It is so pretty. How awesome. Maybe right here? No, I wish you could see more. Like, of me. I want to get on here. Okay. So the strategy could be to just jump, see if I can make it all the way. Or to step on this. I don't know if I'm pointing. Step on that rock. And see if I can make it. Let me turn my camera around. I'm gonna zoom my camera out because I accidentally broke my camera to a point where. Okay, is that even? Hold on. Because this is slick. Is that even stable? That is stable. Okay, so I could make the jump. Okay, hold on. Oh, but it's like really slick, so I don't know if I can make a jump. Yeah, you know what? I'm just not gonna do it. I'm not gonna risk it. I think there might be a better way over this way. I left my bag right here. Oh, and there's another way up this way. Okay, cool. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. Okay. This might not be the smartest thing in the world. Okay. We're going down more this way. This might be cool. See, oh, there's more fish. Oh, I wonder what lives. I wonder what friend lives in there. I won't disturb them. There's a lot of places where animals can live, and which is why I'm gonna keep my stay short. I don't want to disturb anything. But my gosh, this is so cool. I can make this. This is easy. Okay, I got it. Woo! Yeah! We did it. We got on one of these rocks, and it's very cool. Just more river down that way, so there's not really much point in. Whew. It is hot. It is very hot. First mile marker, I think, is a bridge. So that's lovely. It's probably where that river led from. Where that bit led from. Good water. I don't know if this is a river or not. Oh, it's real pretty though. I believe Trix was here. Guys, Trix was here. Hey man! Whoever made this probably works at a Build-A-Bear. But that means that's no tea, no shade. No tea, no shade to Trix. That art is just very reminiscent of Build-A-Bear for me. It's one of those really hot days where there's nothing else you can do but either be cooped up in your house or embrace it. If there's a boar out here and I get attacked by a boar, oops, my bad. I don't think we got bears. I don't think we're a bit too north to have panthers, but you never know. This is beautiful. I wish I brought my Audubon. I have a couple Audubons. I have ones for birds, mainly. I wish I brought one of them because that would have been nice. That would have been really nice. Ah, bug, go away. No swimming, no wading, and alligators are present. Delicious. Do I want to go this way or do I want to go that way? Or we take the load rest. Hey! No! We don't do this! I need to start bringing like an extra tote for trash. Oh my god! Just absolute chaos. If there's a gator, I'm pissing my pants. It's so pretty! Oh, there's ducks. There's ducks over there. Ah! Sorry, like a lot of ants came out of that can. But look, oh my god, look at the ducks. Oh, I wish my camera wasn't broken. So you can see them. Oh my goodness. How cute. Oh, and they have all these little babies. Stop. I wish I brought my camera. Damn it. Well, you know what? My memory is my greatest camera. As much as I want to keep going, I know exactly how to get to this trail from my place of residence. But I'm not sweating anymore. I'm salivating a lot. My head feels it's got a little throbby. It's a little woozy, so I'm not going to take the L by getting heat sickness and not really having anyone near me to help. Say if I did pass out. So I'm going to do the safe thing. I'm going to turn back. And yeah, I'll meet you guys back in the car. Alrighty, gang. Minute out. I know there's a water fountain down by where I parked my car. So definitely going to drink. Guys, just throw out your stuff. Please don't leave it in nature. It really pisses me off. Like, you wouldn't like it if someone left trash all around your house, now would you? Also, this is the most egregious. Do you know how many cancer-causing chemicals are in those? Like, guys, please be just fucking respectful. That's like, it's not that hard. My car. I'm in my car. I'm very sweaty. I want to go home. I'm gonna go home. Good night.